We've talked about SOFI Money here on this channel before, which is a hybrid account that comes at no fees and gives you interest and offers you a bunch of perks, but SOFI isn't only giving checking accounts or offering a hybrid account. They also offer SOFI Invest, and today I'm going to be telling you about SOFI Invest. Is it any good, and is it an investment app that you should be using or consider using this year and beyond? Before I go any further, guys, a very quick reminder: if you're new here and you're seeing me for the very first time, my name is Ian, and here on this channel I talk about ways to make money, save money, investing, banking, and all things personal finance related. So if these are topics that will interest you, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. I'll really appreciate it. And also consider subscribing to this channel and turning on the notifications when you do so you can get updated on when I post new videos here. And I post a new video here every single day on YouTube. And guys, also, if you have any topics or just about anything that you'd like me to cover or make a video about, just drop a comment down below with it. So let's start by mentioning some of the features of SOFI Invest. The first thing I want to talk about is the customer service. You can get over the phone support, which is 24/7 customer support, but that's just for basic support. They provide financial advisors, but you can only have access to those guys from about 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Monday to Friday, which in my opinion is fine because you don't need to call a financial advisor at 11 p.m. on a Saturday night. Now, another great feature here is that you can invest in stocks, and not only stocks, but index funds, ETFs, and more, and you get to do this all by yourself. And what this then translates to is a free investment account for you. So there are no fees, no trading fees, and you can open the app at any time and search for the stocks or ETFs you want and either buy or sell them without paying any fees to do so. SOFI Invest also has no account management fees, and it's just a feeless investment app. You won't ever have any fees to pay with this one, which is kind of the standard right now, as all the other investment apps are also free and don't charge you any fees. And if you're still investing and paying trading fees and account management fees, then you need to switch ASAP. So I know you guys may wonder how they make money, especially since SOFI Invest is free, and also SOFI Money, the hybrid account, is also free, and they actually pay you interest. So they're offering products that are free and actually give you and me, the clients, value, but yet they don't charge us. And here's the thing with SOFI. They have a range of products and offers, not only these two, and those include loan products. So they make interest from their loans and also student loan refinancing. So they make money one way and then they offer a lot of value on the other side. Now, if you're a day trader, then you're not going to like SOFI Invest because you can't do day trading here, right? They have a limit on this, and the limit is 4 trades per 5 business days or 5 business days period. So if you're into day trading and that's your thing, then you may be better off going with another app like Robinhood. SOFI Invest also allows you to invest with stock bits, which is just their own way of saying fractional shares. Now, if you don't know what fractional shares are, in simple terms, it's a fraction of a share. So for example, just to clarify, let's say you want to invest in Tesla, but the stock is worth $1,500 right now at the time of making this video. You can't afford to invest $1,500 right now, so that means you can't buy a Tesla stock, and you'd have to go buy some other stock that you didn't like for less money. With fractional shares, or stock bits as SOFI Invest calls it here, you can invest $10 into Tesla, and instead of getting one stock, you get a fraction of a stock that's worth $10 at the time of buying it. So this then reduces the barriers to investing, as more people can invest or start investing now. So if you're new to investing and you need a beginner's platform, then this is a plus for you. Something else that SOFI Invest offers are pre-made investment portfolios, and these are just created and offered to you based on how much risk you're willing to take and also how aggressive of an investment portfolio you want to have. If you choose one of the pre-made investment portfolios in SOFI Invest, then you don't have any control over what stocks and ETFs they invest the money in, and also you have no control over how they divide that invested money. Now, this is good and bad. So the good in this is that you can choose a really safe portfolio and invest in it if you know nothing about investing, and that's it. It works out good for you if you're new. They'll manage the stocks and ETFs and you get a return on your money. But if you're knowledgeable about investing, then you'll want to create your own investment portfolio with whatever stocks you want so you can have more control over the stocks in terms of buying and selling and trading them. If you do choose to use one of their pre-made portfolios, there's no additional cost and it's still going to be completely free. Everything is going to be free, just the same with SOFI Invest. Now guys, if you want to add money to SOFI Invest from another bank account that you have, then it's going to take you 3 to 5 business days for that money to hit your investment account. If you have money in your SOFI Money account and you transfer it to your SOFI Invest account, then it also takes about 2 days, which I really don't like because it's at the same place. So I believe this should be an instant transfer. The only way to get money in the investment account on the same day is if you use direct deposit from an employer. Another way they fall short is transferring investments from another brokerage. So let's say you have some investments at a brokerage right now and they charge you all sorts of fees, and now you're hearing about SOFI Invest, so you decide to transfer your investments here so you can stop paying those fees. Well, it turns out you can't really do that. You'd have to liquidate your entire portfolio and then repurchase the stocks when you open your SOFI Invest account. And I just thought that that was a bit too much. Plus, you're definitely going to lose out. And in addition to losing money right there, you're going to be taxed for selling your investments. So I really didn't like that. SOFI Invest also has some ETFs of its own where they pull stocks from, let's say, the top 50 US companies or the top 100 global companies, and you can invest in those as well for completely free. So if you guys want to invest for free, I would really recommend or just recommend M1 Finance or Robinhood. SOFI Invest is good, but it has some limitations which you won't have if you use another investment app such as M1 Finance. I also didn't mention before in this video that SOFI Invest doesn't have all the ETFs and stocks listed in the app. So there are a couple ETFs I know that aren't in there, and so even if I wanted to invest in SOFI or invest with SOFI, I would still have to continue using M1 Finance or another app just so I could invest in some of my favorite ETFs. So it's a good app for beginners that's free, but I think an app like M1 Finance is ultimately better. If you guys don't know what that is, comment down below and I'll make a video about it. Now, if you'd like to use it or try it out, then use my link down below in the description and you'll receive $10 for free, which you can use towards your investments in M1 Finance. So those are my thoughts on SOFI Invest. I hope you guys liked the information in this video, and if you'd like to see more videos like this one, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can see new videos that I post, and I post videos here every single day on YouTube. If you've made it to the end of this video, comment your thoughts down below and any questions you may have, and be sure to also drop a like on this video as it really helps to get this video to more viewers, and I'll really appreciate it. Also guys, I've left a couple links down below to free stuff, free cashback offers, so be sure to check the links down below in the description for all kinds of free stuff. If you're a new viewer or subscriber here on the channel, be sure to check out my other videos on high yield savings accounts, checking accounts, investments, credit cards, and ways that you can use and make some more money. Once again guys, thanks for tuning into the channel, all the best with your investments, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.